Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about roadmap to become a Salesforce developer. It will help you to become a successful developer and get a job in Salesforce community. There are lots of partners and there are lots of companies are hiring nowadays for Salesforce developers. So just go through this basic understanding. First of all, learn about Salesforce as a CRM. What does it do? Learn about Salesforce Cloud, Service Cloud, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Experience Cloud, Pardot, and B2B Commerce Cloud, B2C Commerce Cloud. You should have a little bit overview about all these clouds so that if someone is going to ask you anything about it, then you should have a basic theoretical knowledge at least. Then you should go for improving your admin skills, go for Salesforce admins, how to set up fields, how to set up objects, how to create workflows, flows, reports, dashboards. So this will definitely help you grow your career. Then we'll go for validation rule process builders, and after that you should go for different sources like your Trailhead is there, which is our Salesforce platform. We will give you a complete guide how to become a good Salesforce developer. Then Salesforce admin guide is also there. You can also prepare a Salesforce certification after that. Then you should go for Salesforce Apex Learning. In Apex Learning, you should go for which is similar to Java. So if you have a background in Java, you can clear and understand this concepts of Apex very easily. Learn SOQL, SOSL, query languages. You should learn about triggers, best practice of triggers, before and after triggers, bulkification of triggers, and you should also study about Apex governor limit. And there are some tailored sources about Apex basis and database. You should go for Salesforce developer certification or documentation as well, how to go through it. Then you should learn about LWC, which is similar to CSS, JavaScript, which is based on that. Learn about HTML, JavaScript, and CSS for front-end development, and understand Lightning Web Component versus Aura components. Understand the component lifecycle, events, data binding in LWC, and work on LWC for dynamic UI development. And there are lots of tailored courses for LWC recipes on GitHub. You should study that as well. Then you should go for API integrations and API studying, like learn REST and SOAP API in Salesforce, authentication and Auth 2.0, external system using callouts, name credentials, implement platform events and different event-driven architecture. That will definitely going to help. And for sources, go for Trailhead API basics, go for integration basics, go for Salesforce developer guide. That will help you work on real-time projects. You should work on real-time projects as well. Build a custom web on Salesforce like expense tracker or task management system or HR portal. Contribute to Salesforce open sources projects on GitHub. Get some experience through working with some non-profits, and there are lots of developer forums which are looking for developers for small tasks. And you should go for platform 1 certification or PE2 certification, and apply for jobs and different sources through Naukri.com or Indeed. You should go for LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and that will definitely help you in Trailblazer community. Lots of people are helping. Even I'm also associated with community. So if you need any guidance about Salesforce development courses or how to become a developer, you can reach out to me as well. So basically it will take 3 to 6 months for you to understand the basic structure, and 6 to 12 months to become a good developer. Thank you.